Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Acorn app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Acorn app. If it's not working for you, you have to follow the instruction. Just press and hold right here. Then you have to click on this I button and then scroll down and then click on the storage, and then you have to click on the clear data and you have to click on the delete and your data will be deleted. Then you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for the update. Just go to the Google and search for Acorn app. Okay, so here I can see the Acorn app. Okay, click on here. So by here you have to see for the update. If it shows the update, then it's okay. If it's not shows the update, then you can reinstall it. So by this way you can fix it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.